Welcome to my channel. How 192.168.1.250 powers your local network. Default gateway address. Many Wi-Fi extenders and routers use 192.168.1.250 as their login page to manage network settings. Acts as a control panel. This IP opens the device dashboard where you can configure Wi-Fi name, password, and security settings. Helps extend Wi-Fi coverage. Most extenders use this IP so you can set them up and boost your Wi-Fi signals across rooms. Connects your devices internally. It routes data between phones, laptops, and smart devices inside your home network. Improves network stability. By managing settings from this IP, you can fix weak signals, dead zones, or connection drops. Monitors connected devices. Through 192.168.1.250, you can see who is connected to your Wi-Fi and block unknown devices. Boosts security. Lets you change admin login, update passwords, and enable WPA2, WPA3 for safer internet use. Manages bandwidth. You can control internet speed for each device using COS, quality of service. Enables firmware updates. The page at this IP lets you update software to improve performance and patch bugs. Customizes Wi-Fi settings. Change Wi-Fi names, guest networks, channels, and more, all from 192.168.1.250. Thanks for watching.